In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Pipedrive deal cards. Pipedrive tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a custom field that can be shown on your deal cards, so the most important information is visible at a glance on your pipeline board. We'll keep it simple, clear, and efficient. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the Setup area. This is your central hub for configuring how your account behaves and what data you track. From there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click your profile icon. That opens a menu where you can access all the key administrative controls you'll need. Next, choose Company Settings. This is where organization-wide options live, including the data model that powers your deals, contacts, and activities. Inside Company Settings, find and click Data Fields. Think of data fields as the blueprint for your CRM. What you define here becomes available across your pipelines, forms, and yes, your deal cards. Now, click Custom Field. You're about to create the specific field you want to surface on your cards. This could be anything your team relies on, like priority, lead source, region, or renewal date. When the form opens, enter a clear, required field name. Use a consistent naming convention so your team instantly understands what the field is for. For example, Deal Priority, rather than just Priority. Clear names make reporting and filtering easier later. Select a field group. This organizes your field in Pipedrive. If you want it to be available on deals, make sure it's in the Deals group. Grouping correctly helps users find and update the field quickly when they're working through the pipeline. Then, select the field type. This choice controls how data is entered and displayed. For example, use a single option or multiple options list when you want standardized selections like high, medium, low. Use a date type for deadlines or renewals, a monetary or numeric type for amounts and scores, or a text type when entries need flexibility. Pick the most structured type you can. It keeps your data clean and makes sorting and filtering more powerful. Keep in mind that changing a field's type later can be tricky, especially if it already has data. Finally, click Save. Your custom field is now created and ready to be incorporated into your deal workflows. From here, you can use this field across Pipedrive and choose to show it on deal cards so your team can scan pipelines and act faster. That's it. Quick, practical, and immediately useful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building deal cards that highlight what matters most to your sales process.